Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you love quick tips that makes your phone experience even smoother, you are in the right place. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a TikTok widget on your POCO X7 Pro. So you can get instant access to your favorite TikTok features without even opening the app. And yes, it's super quick, super handy, so let's jump right in. First thing first, just find your TikTok app. Just find your TikTok app icon and then just press and hold the TikTok icon for a few seconds like this until you see a small menu pop up, and then just tap on add widgets, this one, like this. And this is where the magic happens. You will notice TikToks will offer several widget styles, and each one give you a different shortcut to explore. Let's go through them quickly. First, it has TikTok Live Now. It shows you who live right now. Perfect if you don't wanna miss your favorite creators' streams. And then it has TikTok Camera. It's one tap shortcut to record instantly. And then it has TikTok Stories. There are two sizes, 4x5 and 2x2. Great for quick story updates or viewing friends' stories. And then it has trending TikTok that will instantly open the trending page so you can catch up with hot right now. And then it has a TikTok. And then next it has TikTok search widget. This is quick search bar for creators, hashtags or sound, so it's no need to open the full app. And then in here you can choose whichever one fits your vibe or workflow best. For example, maybe I want to add this widget. Just pick the widget that you like and then just tap on add to home screen like this, and then you can place it anywhere that you like. Just tap and hold the widget and then just drag it anywhere. You can also make it to new home screen like this or go back to the old home screen. Just feel free to place it anywhere. And then for some widgets, even will let you resize them. Just press and hold and then adjust the border to make it larger or smaller. But in this widget, the widget that I choose, it cannot adjust the size. But the adjustment is super flexible and really easy to set up. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just created your very own TikTok shortcut hub right on your POCO X7 Pro home screen. Now you can take live, record, search or see trend all in one tap. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!